Lexus 2007 ES350 front brakes. You know the vibes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit destroy, bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video and the feedback. Put it in the comment box for me. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you think about this brakes. It's not that bad. It's easy, but it's metal to metal though, so that's why we're gonna replace it. Alright? It's easy. 1, 2, 3, that's it. Alright? Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for the help. Where would I be without you? Know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna hold you up no more. 2007 Lexus ES350. Let's get it. Boom. So what I was gonna do is pull it to the side, but since I can't do that because the steering wheel is slack, I'm just gonna do it like this. By doing it like this, I have like even angle with both sides. You know what I'm saying? So all we're gonna do is, you know, we have the 2 bolts here, 2 bolts in the back. That's pretty much it. There's nothing here, which is good. So we're gonna lose this 2, then the 2 in the back. Yeah, me. Let's go. This. Oh. Get these 2 guys right here. So I'm gonna do with a 17. Break it come out. We're gonna brush that. Okay. There you go. I like to spray it first. I'm gonna re-grease them, both. And brake pads. Come with a rag. Shit. Oops. There's some grease in it, so I'm gonna have to spray some brake cleaner over there. I get it gone. Brush it. So the rotors sit, you know what I'm saying? And clean it. You know what I'm saying? Wipe it down. Flip it. Sit it, spray it. Spit. So I want to grease it here before I install it, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to do it when I don't want to grease it when it's installed, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to get grease on the rotor. Like here, like this. Tight it. There you go. So you gotta do, boy. Don't forget the slider, so pull it out. Re-grease it, clean it, I'm just gonna re-grease it, put it back like so. Nice. Let's see. Oh, there you go. I want to do the same. Clean it, grease it, put it back. Assemble it. Something like this. Like that. And like this. Just push it hard. Put this guy there. But they'll might bounce on your face. There you go. That in there. There. Okay. Now put this bolts right there. Front brakes, rotors, and Lexus ES350. Yeah, me. So all I gotta do now is come here and I step on the brake. The first step's gonna be like soft. Now it's gonna start getting hard. Pause. Okay, now it's hard. Now I'm gonna go to the engine compartment, check the brake fluid reservoir. If it needs more brake fluid, then I top it off. This is how you open the hood. Latch is right here. That's how you open it. Check the brake fluid, and it's a little bit. You see that? It's like a finger low. So I'm gonna top it off. Right here at the cap of the reservoir says only .3 fluid. Okay, use only .3 fluid. Alright, if you don't have .3, I guess you can put .3, .4 mids, or just .4 just to top it off. You're just gonna top it off, you know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm gonna use now. Never mind, I found .3. Careful with this though, it irritates the skin. So if you got some in your skin, wash it. Okay, rinse your hands or whatever. There you go, that's good. So if your skin got exposed to this fluid, just rinse it, okay? And that's it. Wash it with soap if you want, but water should do the trick. That's it. Now we're gonna road test it. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back. Asus back. Yeah, me. I hope you liked the video how to do the front brakes, rotors, brake pads in this 2007 Lexus ES350. Yeah, me. Now I'm road testing the vehicle. I'm looking for any weird noise. You know what I'm saying? If you don't hear anything, then you're good to go. While you road test it, do some brake pressures or brake degrading it. You know what I'm saying? Like what I mean is like go fast and step on the brake like this. Not like this, slowly. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna do now. But once you do all that, you haven't heard no noises, you step on the brake a few times while you go fast and slow, then you're all set. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. Like this video, share this video, put your comment in the below. Know what I'm saying? Let me know what you think about this vehicle. Know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm not gonna hold you up. No more shout outs to my subscribers. And I want to encourage the females, the ladies, to become a mechanic, a technician. Alright? Because I haven't seen that many out here in the field. Not gonna hold you up. Like I said, that's it. And I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Astuo Burum Amaudi.